Back to the disc. Hopefully there's no bird poop on it. We have a little bit of a bird issue in here. Have one of those clay owls in the front of the shed, but it doesn't really scare them away. Got the 8335 here. Gotta pull the dipstick first on this one. Looks like we're good there. Fire this guy up. Gotta let her warm up on a cold day like this. It gets down in the 30s here at night. There's a frost warning last night here. Let that get all set up here. And now we're good. Yeah, so I got down in the 30s last night, so hopefully nobody's corn in the area took any hurt, or beans if we have them in yet. I'm kind of glad we didn't have anything planted yet. That just means we got a lot of work ahead of us here this spring. Another beautiful day. A little chilly out, but it'll warm up later today. We made it to the field. We're on our second pass here. You can see Mike's over there. He's chiseling. He had to fuel up this morning, and I think he's just about finished over there. Got some seeding coming up there to our left. The things you find in the field. Looks like a nice chain. In the last video I kind of gave a brief description of how this works and why we use the disc. We got a little bit of rain yesterday. Yesterday was Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day, a day late to all the mothers that are watching. Anyways, as I was saying, it rained, so it's not nearly as dusty as it was 2 days ago on Saturday there. Conditions are about perfect for what I'm doing for this. I'm not running with this disc all the way in the ground. It's just in about probably 4 or 5 inches. It's a little rough out here. Working really good though. We're just trying to break up these clumps of grass a little bit here. Our heifers are out in that pasture over there having a little social gathering, it looks like. Just out enjoying the beautiful day we got here. I don't know how well you guys can see that up there, but there's an eagle right there. And there's its huge nest. It's always pretty cool being over here on this farm for that reason. There's always a couple eagles here. And that nest is just massive up there. There's 2 up there. There's the one on the left and there's one sitting in the nest right behind that branch. There goes a snake. Right there in the middle of the camera. Just slithering away. I think that eagle approves. You just can't get enough of it. It keeps coming closer. This is one of those fields that they host manure to last fall, which you'll see on this clip here. And you can go check out the full video on that. That was pretty interesting. We're getting ready to host some more manure this spring yet. Here, once we get the rye off, which should be about, I don't know, a week to 10 days, I would imagine. So if we're not too busy, I'll try to get that on video again and put that all together for you guys to enjoy. It's always an interesting process. A lot of equipment that they use that you don't see every day. Just about finished, and I saw this rock that I better pick up. If you don't pick them up, they sometimes can get lodged in between the disc gangs in there. Then you gotta hit them out. Don't ask me how I found that out. While I'm out here, I might as well show you how good a job we're doing in the dirt here. See, it looks nice and level there. Burying the grass a little bit, but we still got a little residue on top. It's looking really nice out here. I needed to get out and stretch anyway, so it's a good thing that rock was right there. There's our heifers down there. Literally had one pass left. There just had to be one rock in this field. It's the first rock I've ever seen on this farm, honestly. See you later, girls. Catch you next time. Bye, Eagles. See you next time. Boys, you gotta slow down over these because it's so rough. Went about 8 over that one. Just loading cows here. Just checking out our rye here. It's getting pretty tall here. You can see there's a few lighter areas like there. There's a wet spot. This was a cornfield last year. Then we ran the finisher through it and drilled some rye in. Put our implement down. Bump it up a few gears. Be on our way to keep going here. Minor setback. Popped a hole in the tire. Have to go grab a new one quick. It'll only set us back a little bit. We are back in business here. There goes the old tire. wrapped up here. We didn't have any more issues. That's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and take care. We'll catch you in the next video.